Welcome to this fall edition of Art Factory. Today we're going to be making a beautiful fall tree. As you can see, we're going to be using some beautiful tissue paper leaves with some fall colors. We're also going to need some cut up streamer, some markers, well, really just the brown markers, and some of our handy dandy glue. Well, let's get started on this awesome autumn project. But first, we need to have Brandon. Hey Brandon, how's it going? You're doing well? That's great. Well, the other thing you'll need is a template of a tree trunk. As you can see, I've got mine here. It's a cool orange color. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my leaves that are already cut up and spread them out. You're probably going to have way more than you need, but you can use as many or as little as you want. This is your tree and there is no wrong way to do it. Now I like the light color of the tree, but I think it'll look even more like an awesome autumn tree to outline it in the brown. You can choose to do this or choose not to. It's your art and your tree. But I'm going to go ahead and outline mine in a brown marker. If you get outside the lines, that's okay, because tree branches are all bendy and not perfect. So even if you have some brown out of place, that's going to make it look even more realistic. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some glue down on my paper and stick on the tissue paper leaves. You can put them in any pattern. You can put a lot of colors on one side or put all the different colors all different places. You can put them on the tree, falling off the tree, on the ground. That is the awesome thing about nature and art. It's random and it's all yours. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach mine all over the place with a nice little pile on the bottom. There's my last leaf. Wow, let's show Brandon. What do you think of my tree, Brandon? You like it? It looks like trees from home. That is so great. Well, guys, I had so much fun making this with you, and until then, see you next time.